Hello guys. Hope we're live. Hope you guys can hear me. Um, I'm not sure if you're live or not. Let me see if you guys can hear me. Then we will go straight away toward the charts. Hope you guys can hear me. I think so. Everything is fine. Uh, um, mm, mm, I'm not sure if you're live or not. So this has been a rejection form. Let me see if you guys can hear me. Then we will go straight away toward the charts. Hope you guys, yep, everything is fine. You guys can hear me, which is good. I can see that. I will go to the chart straight away. First of all, sorry guys, I'm late today. I'm quite late, by the way. I come back from a gym. I was very tired. Just do a little bit of analysis on Bitcoin, and then I fall asleep. And I was asleep for more of like 2 3 hours. So tired at gym, work so hard, and then it's more of like natural. And you may that's why like I just woke up and the time was more of like 3 o'clock, and then bro, I was like I'm late from my live stream. I was supposed to be. Uh, I was supposed to wake up at 2, but I woke up at 1:15. I put a alarm for 1:15, and then I closed and then keep on sleeping, and I woke up it was 3. But now we are here on the charts trying to understand. There are certain levels I really wanted to discuss right now. I believe today is not going to be a pretty much idle trading day environment or try idle trading day on a market. We are bearish. Just on a bigger picture time frame, if we try to understand the market, we have broke this previous all-time high, shown aggressive downside per second from the market at this range. Continue to be bearish, continue to be bearish, continue to be bearish. I am anticipating or expecting for the market to do right now. Why? The reason is we still have a couple of lows on charts. These lows which has not been knocked off. This is a daily favorable gap low as well, and also we have this weekly low as well on charts. This is more of like least target to me, but these lows market should have to knock on charts from the per second before making a retest toward upper side. It should have to continue this leg toward downward side all the way to at least knock these lows on a chart as well. And this range we may anticipate a more of like a bounce toward upside, then that will see another possibilities on it. So this is what it is. I'm more of like bigger picture time frame I'm anticipating or expecting from the market to do on these kind of per second as well on a market. And if you watch out why market could be bearish from here, if you try to understand from the market, this is what it is. I'm looking for daily time frame as well to be going down to toward knock those lows, and this is because we're bearish, we're going down toward low lows from here. Just for the bullish case scenario, because it is possible that maybe market has to left all of those lows in play, just go toward upper side, make a retest toward upper side, then it has to come down to disrupt all of those lows and continuation toward downward side, which is also a possibility. We cannot deny that. This is also a possibility. If you watch out the previous low on a chart, this is the previous low on daily low on charts as well. Maybe market not to go below this low from here, just open it has gone up, remain above this low, and then maybe holding this 50% of the daily fair value gap, and then try to be bullish toward upper level of the daily fair value gap and the upper level of the weekly fair value gap as well. This is also possible as well on charts. Then we can anticipate more of like a downward side projection from the market, just going toward upper side, show rejection from those levels, and then go toward a lower levels from here. This is what it is. I'm in a more of a like concern thinking about from charts right now for the bearish case scenario, or as well on charts may played out. Just make a retest toward from these ranges, show rejection, then go down. Maybe left it has to left all of those lows, which is also possible. The first possibility I'm anticipating, just go down straight away from it to these, at least these lows, and then we'll see from here how market will do, continue to be bearish or make a retest and then go down as well. All of those probabilities and the possibilities we can anticipate or predict from the market right now. This is more for like the thing I'm anticipating or expecting from the market to do what now at the moment, and then we'll see how the market will perform on all of those levels and all of those price action on on a market. And if we try to understand the market, this is the value area low of the range as well. Maybe market has to make a retest to the upper level of the weekly fair value gap value area low, then go down as well, which is also possible as well. So first possibility I'm anticipating, because so now it is very important to, we have to understand like if this is the possibility we are anticipating, what could be the invalidation of this possibility, and what it could be the reason that market, how long would you be thinking that this possibility may be played out on charts. So first possibility, we are anticipating a continuation toward downside from here. Yeah, that's on a bigger picture time frame. Let me do one thing right now. I wanted to keep an eye on 1 minute time frame, shorter term time frame as well in here. Look at this rejection from the charts right now from this lower level of the 4 hour time frame fairly gap. Let's see if market continue to be bearish from here. Definitely, I'm not really confident on this move from the market toward upper side. Maybe this could be the high on charts and market could be aggressively bearish toward all the way to this daily fair value gap low as well, which is also possible. It is difficult to take into took any kind of trade in here because just went out, this going down. Difficult. Yeah, you can, but difficult to go for any kind of short in here. Let's see, try to invert this fair value gap, and then we have these lows, this low, and this low as well. We are looking for the market to be knocked off. So now we have two possibilities on charts, like on short term time frame continue to be bearish from here. In that case scenario, inverting this fairly gap tends to knock this low, and this low as well. Or maybe just try to hold this area, just get the bounce from here, create low high, then go down, maybe further continuation toward upper side, then go down as well. But let's see, if I'm anticipating this possibility right now from here. In that case scenario, you should not have to go above this high and then create fairly gap, keeping it open, which will be great. Like if it has to respect all of those 1 minute time frame PDA raise on charts, if it has to do like this. Oh, what is this, man? Why it is not showing my alerts in here? Not sure why it is not showing my alerts in here. Let me do a refresh. Look at this. And this, it's 10:41 now on a New York session. I'm just looking for this low as well. Because we're bearish, and this low as well. It has to be bearish from here. Look at this. It has just shown a rejection from this range and then going down, which is difficult to trade because I was just anticipating that it is going up, continue to be bullish from here. Overall, we're bearish. But if you watch out, this rejection, like first of all, this rejection you are anticipating could show rejection, could be going down. Not confident on all of those lows. Overall, we're already bearish on a chart right now, and this rejection actually could have been a good short. First of all, this is the first indication rejection. Yeah, it could be going down from here. Gone up, just show rejection from VWAP as well, keeping this failure gap open. At this point you can go for a short, just stop loss above this high for all of those lows on charts. So look at this point. If I go for a short at this point, where would I put my stop loss? My stop loss will be quite bad, quite far from the first section. That's why we got to know this downside first section of the market when it was trading at this range. We got to know this downside first section when it was trading at this range. I was like, my stop loss, we can put our stop loss at this range. We would have been risking too much, and also this is more of like an aggressive trade on charts, and we have been just have to just close our position at this range. This is the risk. This is a more of like a 101 trade, 101 art trade, which is a risky trade. Art, it is going down. Prefer, I would prefer not to touch the market. You don't know, maybe at any point it could get the bounce as well. So you should still watch and observe the charts until unless you get clear indication that where you can put your stop loss or how it would perform. Now, I'm still bearish, still looking for further continuation to downside. We have seen rejection from strong level of resistance. We are already bearish, and I'm looking for 112K from here. In that case scenario, if it has to be aggressively bearish, this is a fairly gap. It will be great if market keep this fairly gap open, then go down. Just went toward upper side. We could also anticipate could go just to go toward upper side and then go down as well. Oh my god, this is also possible. We cannot deny about that. I don't know where are my alerts right now because I cannot see them right now. That's why I wanted to refresh this thing. So yeah, just keep these alerts in here. We don't need this alert, by the way. For now, we don't need this. We'll see. So this is a 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well. It will be great if market keep this 5 minute time frame fairly gap open, then go down. I'm looking for the market to come down all the way to this range. This is what it is I'm looking for. This area for the bearish case scenario. So let's see. I'm looking for the market to go down from here to this range. Let's see if market has the potential to do that. We are just watching, observing, and waiting right now. We could get a bounce from here as well, which is also possible. Just on a bigger picture time frame, if you try to understand, do you think market has a potential like to go down from here to this low and this low? Yeah, this is possible. The weight has created this week, show rejection. We are already bearish. It could be going down from here toward low levels. This 4 hour time frame, possible maybe. Next 4 hour time frame candle as well, possible. 1 hour time frame, yeah, possible. The way more of like you can say creating this week on charts and then maybe not this candle 11 minutes. For next candle, we'll be anticipating not to go above this high from there going down. Try to knock all of those lows and this low as well. This is what it is. I am in a more of like concern thinking about from charts. 30-minute time frame show rejection from this range again. We are looking for all of those lows and this low as well on charts. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. Because market has show rejection from 4 out of early gap coming back down, make a retest, show rejection again. We are already bearish, so we are anticipating further continuation toward low levels from here. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. — 15-minute time frame as well. Like we have 9 minutes left. It may create fair value gap in here. I will be watching this fair value gap on 15-minute time frame. If market has the potential to just tap into that, then go down, or keeping it open, then go down as well. My local top on charts will be this top on charts. Like it should not, the market may not go down to knock all of those lows if it continue to create highs very close to this high, or if it knock this previous high on charts. My invalidation will be above this high. If when we're above this high, this is not valid anticipation from charts. If continue to create high this range at this like this may not be this downside projection may not be valid on charts. Then we'll be looking for another possibilities on charts. I hope you guys can hear me. Hope everything is fine. I hope everything should be fine. Then we will be doing some sort of things as well. Let me see if you guys can hear me. Yeah, I think so. You should be fine. Everything should be fine. I wanted to see that from the charts right now. So we're keeping this 15-minute time very level in play in here. Just for watching this 15-minute time frame gap. So it is very important to ask yourself this question: can I go for a short right now because we are anticipating low levels from here? Market has already shown rejection, already going down, already disrupt these lows. It will continue to be bearish. Like if it has to continue to be bearish, that's the same thing I would be waiting for. We should have to wait for the we should have to wait for 15-minute time frame candle close. I believe it we should. I'm still very tired right now. My body's more of like feeling tired. So we have 5 minutes left for this 15-minute time frame close. Let's see. We're waiting for this 15-minute time frame. If we have a gap in here, then we'll see. Can I go for a short? It is difficult to go for a short right now because we don't know the top on just this could be the top. After that, we don't know what could be the local top on just in here again. Just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing. Let me do a couple of things on our charts today. More of like rest today for me. We'll see how it goes in the end. Christian Dior. So while this is happening, this is quite choppy at the moment. Let me do some another things. Yeah. I have to define my today's goal. I want it to be realistic, by the way. Have to do live stream and so we have this 15-minute time frame close, which is done. I wanted to highlight this one. I wanted to highlight this one. Like this is the 15-minute time frame filling gap. I'm anticipating this range market give me a top on charts and then go down from here. If this is a local top, we'll be keeping around on each individual 1 minute time frame candle. There is anything on 5 minute time frame in here? This is a 5 minute time frame really gap as well. Let's see if market not to go above this high, then continue to be bearish. In that case, you should have to go for gap, this fairly gap, and keeping it open or just tab into that tends to be bearish. Yeah, so I'm anticipating if this is a top one charts, it should have to keep this value gap open. Now it should have to tends to be bearish from here. Not taking any kind of trade right now, just watching and observing. This could be a short, but I'm just sitting still. Not really confident. Still thought if I would have my lunch in here at my table while doing this, it will be great. But unfortunately, I have to go downstairs to get something. I don't know if I have something to eat now. Not sure. As always, Coinbase can only break out sustainably if crypto is rising. The next surge in a Bitcoin will likely be the catalyst for another attempt. Um, Sorry guys, I have to make a call. Let me make a call, man. So I'll be back. Just a second, guys. So that's how it is, guys. That's how it is happening. Sorry guys, I'm back. So this, look at this. I was just anticipating if it has to like do this kind of prosection. If this is the top on charts, this is a fairly gap. It should have to just have into that or keeping it open, then go down from here. Just went down. Bakeruta is going down from here. I was telling you I'm bearish on charts. We did not went for a short at this point. Could have gone for a short at this point, but I was not really confident to go for a short at this range. I was like, I have to, because I was also thinking about it could get a little bit of like bounce toward upper side from here as well, and then market try to go down, which is also possible. Could hit another high, but it went down from there toward low levels. This is the thing. Now anticipating continuation toward downward side from here, which is like this low we are looking for to be knocked off 112k from here. In that case scenario, keeping this value gap open, keeping this value gap open from here, I'm anticipating market should have to tends to be bearish from here. So I'm anticipating it. Look at this. This is good, by the way. The weight is going down. I'm not feeling like we missed the move. We don't need to feel like that. We just anticipate or predict the market. It should have to perform like this. It is performing like that. I did not went for a trade. I was like not really confident. I was like, I'm not really confident. Sorry, guys. I'm not really confident to go for a short at the moment. We did not went for a short, but it went down. So I'm looking for this low to be knocked off for the continuation to go down. 1 hour time frame. This is the high. all of those lows we are looking for. 30-minute time frame, not to go above this high, we're looking for this low and that low on charts. Yeah, 15-minute time frame, look at this fairly gap, just keeping this fairly gap open, then going down. Just when I watched this 5-minute time frame, I was like, this is already fairly gap. 5-minute time frame. I don't know. Oh my god. So if it has to continue to be bearish from here all the way to this low, how should have to perform? I'm anticipating keeping this fuel gap open, keeping this fuel gap open, just tap into that, or keeping this fuel gap open as well, then go down. If you watch out on 5-minute time frame, what do you think 5-minute time frame is? Just tap into this 5-minute time frame gap going down. It may create 5-minute time frame gap as well in here. Oh my god, what is happening? I need to drink some water. I was doing something, man. Yeah, I opened this one as well, then go down. If you watch out on 5-minute time frame, what do you think 5-minute time frame is? Just tap into. So yeah, still bearish, still looking for low levels. This is a previous low as well. I want to see rejection from this range, continuation toward low levels. Still not taking any kind of trade right now at the moment. Still not taking any sort of trade. We have a quite bunch of liquidity on. If you watch out this, uh, what was this? Coin glass liquidation heat map. It shows us the way they look at look at this man. No, look at this. How do you feel at this point? Like if you have gone for a shot at this range, you're looking for this low for the continuation to or downside to this low, but market just went down, just knocked this low, more of like trying to go toward upside, or maybe it is possible that it could get a bounce from here as well toward upside, and this is what it is market has been doing from yesterday as well, and this week is more of like that. Whenever like if you watch it on daily time frame. This is not a very ideal trading week, if we can say like that. Monday, Tuesday, it was trying to do something. I actually did not remember like what really happened on Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, just tap into 4 out of fairly gap on Monday, then go down. Tuesday as well, tap into 4 out of fairly going down. Um, oh my god, what is happening to me? So yeah, Monday, Tuesday, more of like market went down. Yesterday, if you watch out, just watch out this for a second. How would you find a trade inside this range? And how would you find trade inside this area? How would you find trade inside this area? How would you find trade in that? This is easy trades. These are easy trading days. Can you find a trade at this range? Very difficult. And the same thing market is doing today as well. Yesterday it has done same thing. It was like not going up, not going down, not going up, not going down. Same thing we are doing today as well. Not going up, not going down. So yeah, look at this market is more of like holding this range on charts. We have 11:30 on a house. Afternoon session is about to open. Half past 12 to from 12 to half past 12 market usually open afternoon session. But if you watch out morning session, it has just opened at this range, gone all the way to the passat. Very difficult to trade this kind of price action. And at this point, just show rejection from 4 out of value gap. You are already bearish from this range, already looking for rejection, show rejection, which is good. Come down. There was a VWAP and 50% of the daily fair value gap at this range. VWAP and daily 50% or the daily fair value gap, show rejection from this range again. Could have been a short on charts for all of these local lows on charts. This could have been a trade, a day trade. That's it. You're done with this. You're done with the session. You enter a market in here and you exit in here. You're done with the session. From 113 500 to 113K, like $500 move on charts. Not a very big move, but you you understand the market. This session is very choppy, and you do the quick scalp, and this is the quick scalp. You're out from the market, and you look for the next session. You are still anticipating next session could be same chopping and starters as well. Ideally, you will not come back for trade in the afternoon session. Just watch and observe the market. Look at this. How would you feel at this point? Like you go for a short. We're looking for all of those from the market to be knocked off. Just bounce from here to up side. And you enter at this range. You did not take profit at this range. How would you feel at this point? Like it is more of like at a break even. Would you look to close, or would you for you was in profit previously and now you're more of like break even? What do you do at this point? You would prefer to close your position, or you will close at your stop loss? I would prefer to close now. So that's how this market is performing. I'll be watching this afternoon session as well for a couple of hours. We'll see how the market will perform. We have done everything, I think so. Yeah. For now, I just have to do for today. Just one thing I really have to do is, which is like I have to upload, I have to edit my own YouTube short, and then I have to be in front of the charts for the afternoon session. These are the two important, most important things I have to do today. I have to edit because I really wanted to edit more of like in a different way today for my YouTube, for my reel or a short, you can say. We'll see how it goes in the end, and then we will try to figure out certain levels on charts. That's how it is. Just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing. Just a boring price action right now. This is not a ideal trading day. I would say that this is not at all a ideal trading day, ideal trading session. I would say in the morning session up till now. That's why I'll be very careful to take any kind of trade. It's better to look for quick scalp, or it will be way better if you do not trade today. Just watch, observe, sit still. I would say that. Just in that case scenario, you can do anticipation on charts, and we'll see. So I'm just watching like if it is holding this range, try to knock this high and that high and this fairly gap on charts in here. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. Mhm. So far, it is holding this previous low on up, looking for a further continuation toward upside from here to just to this high and these highs and this 15-minute fairly gap. Go to So far, it's 11:41 now. I think I should have to finish this last stream. It has been more of like boring session. Could have been a quick scalp in here, not ideal trade, not obvious trade. We did not take this trade. I have not taken any trade for in this session as well. We'll come back in the afternoon session. We'll see if we can try to look for a quick scalp on a charts. And maybe tomorrow as well we can anticipate same kind of price action. And the next weekend we have a couple of big things coming up. Like weekend is always boring, and Monday we have a bank holiday as well. And in London we have this carnival event as well.